vBout's Pipeline Manager integrates directly with social media, so you can create a collaboration environment between your team members. You can visit your social media channels and go to your streams from the top. I've already created a task board just for social media management, and I can create different stages of the curation process. Now, in this particular view, I have all my feeds. I will switch to maybe like a Facebook conversation from a DM, or maybe a review or a comment to an ad. Let's just choose, I'll pick one random. And this conversation might require attention of one of my team members. So if I'm not authorized to reply, all I have to do is click on this option here. I'm going to create new task or add this person to an existing task. And now I have this view. You can change the name, okay, making it a little bit more personalized if you'd like. Who's it assigned to? What type? Which pipeline? Obviously, I'm working with my social media pipeline. I can put it in review, and the due date will be the 29th. If you have any emails in the conversation, you can obviously either search them here, or you can create that email directly. So this facilitates the process of moving leads from conversations directly into your contact database. Okay. I can also mention people here. For instance, I can just mention myself to get an email and add. As simple as that. Let me show you how this looks like right now. All I have to do on this view is to click on the right side. You'll notice I have an asset, which is social media. It is collapsed, so all I have to do is click on the right to expand it, and now I can reply back. Okay, so this is enclosed right in here. The person does not have to go to social media and reply from there. Now, another way you can use collaboration in social media is by assigning groups to different team members. So groups are part of streams, and that will pretty much be grouped right here. Okay, and what I can do is going to the settings or directly to users, and I can perhaps assign to this particular user a custom permission, and that custom permission you'll see all the way on the bottom. I have custom social media groups, and I've already created a couple of groups. One of them is vBout, which has access to half of my profiles. So now this particular user or team member will only be able to access that one channel only, or that one group only. Okay. So this falls under the same area of creating team collaboration and using the pipeline manager in order for you to curate some of these comments and assign them to the proper person in charge of the community.